circling back to your diversification strategy, you moved from active investing in real estate to passive. I remember when I first was talking to you, we were talking about mailbox money and how much fun it is to how much fun it is to have your passive investment send you mailbox money. Talk about that term
Yes.
and just how powerful that is.
Love mailbox money. So, and it's interesting, Meg, because what really helped me go from active to passive, I've been through a lot of trials and tribulations. I've had, I had a fire, I had, pipes would burst, I had some issues with tenant relations. And one day I asked myself, why do you love real estate so much? Why are you like, where's the passion in this? And when I answered the question, it was, what I really love is getting the check at the beginning of the month. That's what's fun. The tenant relations isn't fun. Working with property managers isn't fun. Going to court, getting that deposit in my account is fun. So how can I do more of that and less of the tenant issues? How can I get more money in my account without having to deal with property managers? And that is what led me to passive investing, where through real estate syndications, I get all the benefits of real property. I get the passive income, I get the depreciation, I get the tax benefits. I can do swaps with 1031 exchanges, but I don't have to be actively involved in the day-to-day with evictions and collections and all of that like I was before. So again, maximizing the fun part and de-emphasizing the not so fun part.
Yeah, it's well, I think you and I were talking about this. It's fun to make money because money solves the money problem. When you have money, then you can solve other problems.
Right.
And not so many women, well, and it's not just women, but primarily people who subjugate themselves and diminish themselves or opt out of things that they don't feel like they are deserving of. Have you run into any of that, either for yourself, but other people whom you interact with?
I think so. And that for me, and you just hit on something for me, I'm very passionate about women being financially independent. And I think that very often women kind of move to the side and say, oh, I'm not good with finances. And I'm part of a group right now where all we do is we meet monthly and we just talk about money. It's all women. We talk about money. And it's so refreshing to be able to do that. But I think I shared this statistic with Tamara, your producer, and I heard this and it blew me away that women, like 80% of women, when they die single, but 80% of men, when they die married. And that women are the passers of wealth. So we're the ones who, if you look at it, women pass it. And so, but yet we're the ones that shy away from it when in fact, we need to be the ones that are really on top of it and really proficient with finances. And so that's a passion for me. And I think I happen to think women are very good with money. I think we're intuitive. I think we're practical. So that's a passion for me. I think more women should get into investing, in particular real estate investing.
Yeah, it's women should be thinking more about diversification